Email. An electronic mail or email can be defined as the process of exchanging messages electronically through a communication network by using computer. Apart from messages, we can share documents, multimedia files and program files by using email. We can use the email service by registering ourselves with any of the email service providers. Features of email. Email has several features. Some of them are as follows. Ability to attach the files along the message. Ability to store the information such as message and contact list. Ability to send multipurpose internet mail extensions, MIME type files. Advantages of email. Email has various advantages. Some of them are: an email can be sent anytime and from anywhere in the world. An email can be sent to many people at a time. An email can be easily forwarded to anyone without typing it again. Sending an email is fast in comparison to traditional mails. Email address. You need to have an electronic address to send and receive emails. This electronic address is called email address. The email address is unique for each email user. Some examples of email addresses are as follows: 𝐂𝐥𝐚𝐬𝐬@gmail.com, 𝐂𝐥𝐚𝐬𝐬@yahoo.co.in. Although these email addresses have different formats depending upon the type of network, but always have same form, a username and a domain name separated by @
pronounced as @ symbol.
The portion before the @ symbol is called the username and the latter one is called domain name. The username is unique to every individual sending or receiving emails. The domain name is common to all the individuals using a particular server or network for sending or receiving emails. 𝐂𝐥𝐚𝐬𝐥123 is the username, @gmail.com, that's the domain name. Creating an email account. There are various websites that give email service free of cost. Some of them are Gmail, Yahoo, Rediffmail, Outlook, etc. You can create your email account with any of these service providers. The most common general purpose and free email service provider is Gmail. To create an email account on Gmail, follow the given steps. 1. Type www.gmail.com in address bar of the browser. 2. Select Create Account option. 3. Click on For My Personal Use option to create a personal account. 4. Type your name and click on Next button. 5. Enter your birthday and gender and click on Next button. 6. Choose your Gmail address or create your own email address and click on Next button. 7. Create a strong password and click on Next button. 8. Enter your parents' mobile number after taking their permission and click on Next button. 9. Enter verification code received on the mobile number and click on Next button. In Recovery Email Address field, enter the email address that will help you to recover your password if you forget it, and then click on Next button. In Phone Number field, enter the phone number that will help you to recover your password if you forget it, and then click on Next button. Review your account info and click on Next button. 10. Read the privacy and terms carefully. Then click on the I agree button. This will open the welcome screen of your Gmail account. In most of the email service providers, the home page has some common folders which are as follows. Inbox. It is the folder where all emails that you have received from others are stored. Sent. It is the folder where all emails that you send to others are stored. Outbox. It is the folder where all outgoing emails are temporarily stored. Once the all emails have been sent, the outbox folder gets empty. Spam. It is the folder where all unwanted incoming emails are stored so that they stay out of the inbox folder. The unwanted email is also known as junk mail. Trash. It is the folder where all deleted emails are usually stored for a defined time period. The email will only be permanently deleted if you delete it from the trash folder. Composing and sending an email. You have created an email account. Now you want to send an email to your friend. You need to take the email address of your friend before sending the email. After getting the email address, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Compose button. 2. Type the email address. 3. Enter the details. 4. Click on Send button. The new message window has many fields. 2. In this field, type your friend's email address. You can enter more than one address by pressing comma after each email address. CC. CC stands for carbon copy. It is marked to the email address who is to be informed that an email has been sent to the person marked in To field. BCC. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. It is marked to the email address when you do not want others to see to whom the email has been sent. Subject. In this field, a one-line introduction about the purpose of the email is mentioned. The email is typed in the main white body of the new message window. You can also attach a file by clicking on the Attach Files button at the bottom of the new message window. Reading an email. You can read an email received from your friend by clicking on it. The number in front of inbox shows the number of emails in your account which you have not read till now. The unread mails appear in bold effect. To read an email, click on the name of the sender or the subject. This will open the email as shown here. The name and icon below the subject indicates that there is an attachment with the email. Logging in. Logging in or login is the process of accessing your email account by providing the username and password. To access your email account anytime, follow the given steps. 1. Type www.gmail.com in the address bar and press Enter key. 2. Enter username of the email address that you have created. 3. Click on Next button. 4. Enter the password you had created for your email account. 5. Click on Next button. All your emails are visible in the web browser window. Log out. You should always close your email account after checking emails. This is known as sign out or log out. It is very important to sign out from your account so that no one else using the computer can read your emails or send unwanted emails from your email account. You can sign out from your email account by following the given steps. 1. Click on the Google account icon. 2. Click on the Sign Out button.